An earthworm is a long, tube-like animal commonly found in soil. Its body is divided into many tubular parts called segments. The segments also have tiny, hair-like bristles with claws that help the earthworm to grip the surface and pull its body forward. Earthworms travel with the help of contraction and relaxation of their body segments. Earthworms exchange gases with the help of their moist skin. Oxygen gets absorbed through the skin and carbon dioxide diffuses out through it. Earthworms thrive best in damp soil, but during heavy rainfall, the oxygen in the soil decreases. At this time, the earthworms come out of the soil to breathe the oxygen in the air by raising their body partially. Earthworms keep moving the soil, which creates air spaces for roots to breathe. They also help in incorporating air into the soil by their burrowing action. Many different types of earthworms, such as redworms, also called red wrigglers, are used in decomposing food wastes into compost in a compost bin by the process called vermiculture. The manure that we get by the process of composting by earthworms is called vermicompost. Indian farmers actively practice vermicomposting in certain regions of our country to increase the fertility of soil. So earthworms are called the friends of farmers.